everyone, I'm Anu and you're watching Explore to Shine. Happy to be back with another video. Last two videos was a quiz show with multiple choice and today let's check our scores without the option. Before we proceed to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any further updates. Fill in the blanks, topic MS Excel, session 3. First question, the file created in Excel is called dash and its extension is dash. Second one, there are dash number of rows and dash number of columns in Excel 2007. Intersection of dash and dash is called cell. The answer for these, the file created in Excel is called workbook and its extension is XLSX. There are 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. The intersection of row and column is called as cell. Fourth question, dash button is used to shrink application to a button on taskbar and dash button is used to enlarge application window to a full screen. Next question, rows are identified by dash and columns are identified by dash. The two types of scroll bars are dash and dash. The answer for these are, minimize button is used to shrink application to a button on taskbar and maximize button is used to enlarge application window to a full screen. The answer for the next question, rows are identified by numbers and columns are identified by labels. The two types of scroll bars are vertical and horizontal. Next question, the contents we type will appear in dash and dash. To edit the contents of cell, we use dash key or dash. Next question, dash axis represent categories and dash axis represent values. The answer for this, the contents we type will appear in formula bar as well as in active cell. To edit the contents of the cell, we use F2 key or we can also double click. X-axis represent categories and Y-axis represent values. Hope you're guessing the right answers. Shall we move on to the next questions? The 10th question, by default, text are dash aligned and numbers are dash aligned. The default orientation is dash and the default paper size is dash. The address of first cell is dash and the address of last cell is dash. Shall we check the answers? By default, text are left aligned and numbers are right aligned. The default orientation is portrait and default paper size is letter. The address of first cell is A1 and the address of last cell is XFD 1,048,576. Next question. The default font is dash and size is dash. The default row height is dash and default column width is dash. 15th one, there are dash types of charts and the default chart is dash. The answer for these questions, the default font is Calibri and size is 11 point. The default row height is 15 and the default column width is 8.43. There are 11 types of chart and the default chart is column chart. Next set of questions. Dash operators are used to compare two or more values, and dash operators are used to combine two or more conditions. Next one. Formula is a combination of dash and dash to perform some calculation. Next one. Dash and dash should always begin with equal sign. The answer for these questions: relational operators are used to compare two or more values, and logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions. Formula is a combination of operators and operands to perform some calculation. Next one. Formulas and function should always begin with equal sign. 19th question. Dash is a graphical representation of the selected data, and dash are ready-made formulas. Next one. The two types of filters are dash and dash. Data can be sorted in dash and dash order. The answer for these: chart is a graphical representation of selected data, and functions are ready-made formulas. The two types of filters are autofilter and advanced filter. Data can be sorted in ascending and descending order. Dash function returns the highest value in a range, and dash function returns the lowest value in a range. Dash function displays the system date, and dash function displays system date and time. Dash function is used to count the number of cells having only numbers, and dash function is used to count the number of cells having numbers and text. The answer for these questions equals max function returns the highest value in a range, and min function returns the lowest value in a range. Today function displays the system date, and now function displays system date and time. Count function is used to count the number of cells having only numbers, and count A function is used to count the number of cells having numbers and text. Dash option draws arrows to indicate which cells affect the value of the currently selected cell, and dash option draws arrows to indicate which cells are affected by the currently selected cells. Next question. Dash option is used to remove duplicate records, and dash option is used to ensure valid data entry. Next one. Dash option helps to find the right input for the desired output, and dash option is used to highlight the changes made to the sheet. The answer for these questions: trace precedence draws arrows to indicate which cells affect the value of the currently selected cells, and trace dependence option draws arrows to indicate which cells are affected by the currently selected cells. Remove duplicates option is used to remove duplicate records, and data validation option is used to ensure valid data entry. Goal seek option helps to find the right input for the desired output, and track changes option is used to highlight the changes made to the sheet. Next set of questions. Dash option allows you to create different set of values and switch between them, and dash option is used to record a set of actions and play it whenever required. Dash is displayed when the column width is not enough to accommodate the data, and dash error is displayed when the formula contains non-numeric data. The last question. The default left and right margin is dash, and top and bottom margin is dash. The answer for these questions: Scenario Manager option allows you to create different set of values and switch between them. And Macros option is used to record a set of actions and play it whenever required. Is displayed when the column width is not wide enough to accommodate the data, and hash value error is displayed when the formula contains non-numeric data. The default left and right margin is 0.7 inch and top and bottom margin is 0.75.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.